In this lesson, we will install IB API Python source to our project's virtual environment. So I'll go to the environments folder, go to the address bar and type cmd. This would open the command window in the environments directory. Let's activate the project environment. So I'll type IB API underscore env scripts and then activate. This would activate our project's environment. The next thing we need to do is locate the source code for the IB API Python client. So this should be in the C drive, TWS API source Python client. And this is where we have the source code. So let's copy the location for this directory, go back to our command window and let's paste it here. Let's paste it here. So now that we are in this source directory, we need to type python setup.py install, and this would install IB API Python source into our project's virtual environment. So let's wait for Python to do the installation. And it seems like the installation was successful. So let's go back to our project folder and let's copy this location and change the directory back to the project folder.